Welcome to the world of dreams. What is a dream? Dreams are successions of images, ideas, emotions, and sensations that occur involuntarily in the mind during certain stages of sleep. The scientific study of dreams is called neurology. Scientists believe that in addition to humans, birds and other mammals also dream. The whole brain is active during dreams, from the brainstem to the cortex. When a person sleeps, the brain enters the sleep cycle. Stage 1 is a transitional phase that occurs between wakefulness and sleep. This is a period during which a person drifts off to sleep. Muscle activity slows down and there is an occasional muscle twitching. When the body enters the stage 2, the body goes into a deep relaxation, characterized by the appearance of sleep spindles and K complexes. The breathing pattern and heart rate slows. There is also a slight decrease in body temperature. During stage 3, the deep sleep begins. The brain begins to generate slow delta waves. In stage 4, the body falls into a very deep sleep. During this final stage of sleep, we have bursts of rapid eye movements. This is the stage of sleep in which most dreaming occurs. Our eyes are not constantly moving, but they do dart back and forth, up and down. These eye movements may be related to visual images of dreams, but that is not confirmed. And in general, the reason for these eye movements is still a mystery. Although our eyes are moving rapidly, the muscles that move our bodies are paralyzed. All dreams, nightmares, and night terrors are all caused by different chemicals being released while you are sleeping. The way you fall asleep is through the activation of the neurotransmitter gamma-aminobutyric acid or GABA. Sleeping is considered as a default state in us, but you can sleep whenever you require. There are two reasons behind this. One reason is your body will not support when your brain is active. Second reason is secretion of acetylcholine and other chemicals in our body, which will make us awaken throughout the day. Acetylcholine is released in high levels as a result of wakefulness and alertness. Other chemicals which make us awaken during the daytime are dopamine, glutamate, aspartate, histamine, serotonin, norepinephrine. Melatonin, or the hormone of the night, is a natural hormone made by your body's pineal gland. Pineal gland is located just above the middle of the brain. Melatonin levels in the blood stay elevated for about 12 hours all through the night, before the light of a new day when they fall back to low daytime levels by about 9 a.m. Daytime levels of melatonin are barely detectable. Some researchers have suggested that at certain doses, melatonin increases the number of dreams a person remembers by artificially prolonging the amount of time spent in REM sleep. Taking melatonin may also increase a person's chances of experiencing a lucid dream for a similar reason, by elevating them to a more self-aware state while they are still in REM sleep. Oxytocin is a mammalian neurohypophyseal hormone that acts primarily as a neuromodulator in the brain. It is once released in the body, affects sleep processes. Levels of oxytocin peak after 5 hours of sleep. Oxytocin levels are also correlated with stages of light sleep. Adenosine is a purine nucleoside comprising a molecule of adenine attached to a ribose sugar molecule. Adenosine appears to accumulate in your bloodstream when you're awake and eventually makes you drowsy. Inside your brain, your adenosine levels exert a major influence on the regulation of non-REM sleep. This regulating effect occurs when an enzyme called adenosine deaminase breaks down or metabolizes adenosine molecules. We forget almost all dreams soon after waking up, as dreams tend to burst apart quickly. dreams involve a low-grade type of mental activity using brain mechanisms much like those used by drunk and drugged. Some of the research works states that delay in awakening a dreamer even just 5 minutes after the end of the eye movements, the chances of dream recall are greatly reduced. After others, 5 or 10 minutes, there's very little chance at all of recall. So tell me, do you remember most of your dreams? And if so, what's the weirdest dream you've had?